Hi, I'm Anna from Smart Move Financial Planning. We offer objective advice-only financial and retirement planning and support Canadians relocating or retiring overseas. In today's video, we will discuss the challenges and the opportunities faced by Canadians relocating abroad and how financial planning can help you. First of all, it's important to understand the tax implications of living in Canada. Typically, your tax liability and filing requirements in Canada are based on your residency status. As long as you remain a resident of Canada, you are required to pay taxes on your worldwide income. This means that any income you earn outside of Canada, including from employment, business rentals, or investments, must be reported to CRA, and you will have to pay taxes on it. Once you become a non-resident, you only need to pay taxes on Canadian source income. The CRA will assess your residency based on your ties to Canada and will review each individual situation on a case-by-case basis. If you become a non-resident, you might have several tax implications. For example, you may face a departure tax, which is a deemed disposition of certain properties at their fair market value, potentially resulting in capital gain tax. Deemed disposition means that even if you continue to hold assets, in the eyes of CRA, you are deemed to dispose all of the assets at fair market value and then reacquire them for the same amount. If your assets have appreciated in value, you would be required to pay capital gain tax. As a non-resident, your Canadian income will also be subject to a 25% withholding tax, although tax treaties may reduce these rates. You can also file a special tax return and apply for an exemption to withhold less based on a lower income. Additionally, you might file a departure return in the year you leave and may need to continue filing returns for Canadian source income. For these reasons, it's crucial to engage a tax specialist and a financial planner to navigate these complexities and minimize taxes and penalties. We will discuss tax implications of becoming non-resident of Canada in more details in our next video. Secondly, you should understand how living in Canada impacts your Canadian investment accounts. Many financial institutions or advisors will not work with non-residents. Some may ask you to move your investments, often giving you a short time to do so. Some may restrict your accounts if you move abroad. It's best to talk to your advisor before moving, as some changes are easier to make while you're still a Canadian resident. Ensure you know which accounts and investments you can keep and what changes you can make when you are abroad. Another crucial factor to consider before moving abroad is your income. From a financial planning perspective, it's important to consider how much income you will need from all your sources to maintain your lifestyle abroad and anticipate any potential changes. When developing a financial plan for our clients, we evaluate their income, net worth, and expenses to determine if their income is sufficient to support their retirement. When we develop a financial plan for Canadians relocating overseas, we need to take into consideration additional factors, such as tax implications of living in Canada, as well as cost of living, inflation rates, and potential currency fluctuations in the new country. For Canadians planning to retire overseas, it's important to understand how living in Canada affects your eligibility for CPP and OAS, as well as how to access these benefits in your new country. One significant advantage of relocating to a country with a lower cost of living is the potential to retire earlier than planned. A financial plan can help determine if you can retire early in your desired destination. It's important to work with the financial professionals to develop your financial plan before you move. It's also recommended to update your plan 1 year later to reflect any changes in expenses, income, and inflation. This ensures your plan remains on track. Professional guidance can help you make informed decisions and help you achieve your financial goals while saving your time and money, and can help potentially retire earlier. Remember, making this decision should not be done overnight. If you have any questions about the topics covered in this video or general financial planning inquiries, consult with your certified financial planner. If you don't have a financial planner or need help with expatriate planning, contact Smart Move Financial Planning. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.